Okay, EXP time again. And it's been a couple of days and I fixed it and I'm trying some new stuff out. So let's go on and get it done. I'll go over my setup once I break the truck again. Yeah. I just had to do that. Oh. There's nothing like a good wrap trim to start you off. And to get a glimpse of what's going on here. But I'll go up there after I break the truck. I do not want to be anywhere near this thing. I love running trucks. If I don't have a feel for them, it don't matter. My God, that was wicked. That was wicked. That was absolutely wicked. And I don't think my ramp is gonna survive this. And I forgot the spikes for it too. Yeah, I forgot the damn spikes for it. That's why it's moving so much. I usually have them hanging off the damn thing, but well, that's sweet. My little hanger to keep the car on the damn ramp then got destroyed by the car. Now, I would have had some extra spikes. I could have used the spikes, but I don't have any. So maybe I can just, you know, like last time I was running the rear, and this time I'm trying to break the front. And speaking of the front, oh my God. Well, it's not gonna break, but that dog bone. Oh wow. Of course, it took 2 really bad landings to do that. So let's finish it off. It's gonna end up popping out. You know, these RPM arms are absolutely insane. I mean, how many nosedives can you have before they break? The ground base is gonna survive this one. Oh boy. The truck is just eating the ramp up. I'm surprised that dog bone hasn't popped out yet. Okay. I really am trying to break it though. And again. Oh, poor dog bone. I promise you, I'll bend your back. I'll bend your back. Notice the truck hasn't actually broken yet. don't want to break my ramp. I mean, I don't want to have to fix the damn thing again. So Creighton, can you please stop? Okay, let's get it for real. I already got a dog bone to bend back. No ramp spikes to keep the ramp from moving. 5 horrible nose darts and a ridiculous cartwheel. Should have wrecked the poor truck. No, I'm gonna get that cartwheel and tumbling mess down pat. Can your EXB survive all of that? Okay, let's try this side, even though the sun. This is gonna suck. That was pretty much what wrecked it the last time. So, is it wrecked this time? Oh, EXB. I'm still surprised that dog bone hasn't poked out yet. I mean, it's just absolutely bent the hell up. And it's going. Yeah, Mr. Dogbone is not liking this. It is not liking this at all. Let's see, it then popped out the Dogbone, then hit up against the sway bar, and then popped out the link. The sway bar is up here somewhere, bent, and it's constantly getting bent even more. And even with this ridiculous fan going, the poor truck is still in thermal. My God. That's a first. Oh, my sway bar is just gonna end up being destroyed. Okay. So, to not destroy my sway bar any more than it already is. Okay, now the fans are working again. Going to turn this crap off and go over this mess. So, yeah. EXB is a little nutball right now. So, it's definitely ready to go. Now, yeah, I didn't hit a crossroads with this because it survived all of that minus the sway bar and bent dog bone. I mean, CVD. But that's par for the course. It's all stock parts. I pretty much get it. Stock parts is just gonna fuck up with this truck. Good show. So, yeah. So what's different? Yeah, I have the shocks. They have those ridiculous, absolutely fucking ridiculous M8 hem joints. Yeah, on all four. So, shocks are good. As for the link in the back, yeah, I actually tried the hem joint on that too, since this plastic thing, and it fit. So I ordered all rights. So Yeah, I need the left-hand ones for the outsides. Yeah, I put them on both ends. So this thing has some absolutely ridiculous stuff going on. So much so that it doesn't need this right here that I just put on there just for showing. I see that it's bending anyway, so I'll bump that. I don't need it. But this turnbuckle, the 8mm turnbuckle armor, sometimes you guys can actually do it. Sometimes you guys can seriously do. Man, I mean an 8mm turnbuckle with this ginormous 8mm, well, M8 hem joint. This is one of the absolute strongest linkages I have ever seen in an RC. Any RC, any fifth scale RC. Oh, minus the Reminator, but that thing is giant. M12s and N10s, but it's 80 pounds, so it actually need all that. Man. Yeah, speaking of the Reminator, that thing actually comes with all hem joints. Yeah, every link in that truck is a hem joint. It better be. Well, except for the shocks. I don't know, the shocks had that little crappy aluminum thing just like these did. But not anymore, so yeah, EXB can really take some punishment now. So, like I said, I'm at a crossroads with this truck. Do I keep on upgrading it the hell up? Or do I keep it like this? And hopefully somebody come up with some better, yeah, that the banana that's in there. Somebody come up with something better than that don't take 1,000 years to get here and don't cost a freaking arm. Oh, it can cost whatever the hell it wants, as long as it's here and it doesn't end up being in customs for 2 months. I'm all for it. But I'm not for the having ridiculously expensive parts stuck in customs for months. Yeah, that's why I don't have any of the Vitavan diff cases, or not diff cases, bulkheads. Yeah, I mean, I do have the the GPM shock towers front and rear for this, but I haven't put them on yet, and it obviously really doesn't need them. I mean, I've only cracked a shock tower in my Creighton once, and in my Outcast, because I was doing some of this mess with it, and that was the stock truck, and Outcast was having absolutely none of that, and it said, just fuck you, I'm breaking all over the place. But yeah, RPM arms, awesome. RPM arms are the absolute best upgrade for this truck, hands down. It will save your day. The EXB links are actually pretty good. The plastic will break, but yeah, as you can see, I got a ginormous M8 hem joint in there. Oh no, I mean, and once I get the left in there, that forget about breaking that. And yet I did all that nasty crap with this truck, and it has no aluminum upgrades in it except for the steering GPM crap that's up in that orange mess, and the basher bar. Yay. Obviously, I'm not about to jump this damn truck without that. Are you joking? It'll end up being like the damn CVD banana. You want to do a cartwheel off a ramp with this thing, 34 pounds of Creighton, yeah, it's going to end up being completely destroyed. But love that Reminator servo. Oh my God. These are trenchers. Trenchers. Like the second heaviest tire you can put on this truck. Of course, my gear mesh, yes, it's a little loose. I don't know why. Oh, wait a minute. I actually hear something going on in that rear diff. Yeah, just go on and pelt me with dirt. Is that the rear diff? Or is that just because of this stupid... But the doggone is stupid, yeah. Let's see. Oh, and I know I'm doing this without the fan, so it'll probably thermal. Man, these tires balloon like all hell. Yeah, it's coming from the front. It's a damn dog bone. It's probably, since it's rubbing up against everything, it's diffing out. So obviously there's hardly any kind of power in the front. Yeah. Okay, enough with this. I need to go unbend it. And damn, the dang thing can actually run for a few seconds without any fans at all. Let me turn this off. Oh God, no. So, damn if EXB actually didn't survive a mess. Ramp, yeah, EXB almost taken out a leg. So, but that's what happens when I forget Madonna spikes. Oh, it is what it is. I will leave it at that and see about unbending a stupid dog bone again. Yeah, we're waiting M2C, bring it out. We get it, but we need them. And I'm tired of even thinking about throwing my money into parts from overseas when I can put them in good old-fashioned American companies. Yeah, America. Come on, M2C, give us our stuff. We can test them. We're guinea pigs. Hello, guinea pig. EXB, guinea pig. We all can test your stuff. You don't need Rich and RC Dude 81 to sit up here and test your stuff for weeks on end before even sending them out. Give them to us. We'll test them. We'll wreck them. Have they actually wrecked any of your parts besides Rich dumping one of your chassis on a rock? Oh, and I've bent all your shock shafts, all of them. I've only one set. They all freaking bent. That's why I got these. See, guinea pig. Yeah, let me end this. Oh God.